It's officially September, which means that some of you might be back in school already. One thing I always liked about back to school was getting new school supplies, but sometimes those pencils and pens can be a little boring. So today, I'm going to teach you a few pencil toppers that you can add to your pencils to make them a little bit more exciting. We're going to make a little love bug, a little caterpillar, friend for your classroom, and also a little cupcake. A little bit crooked. Our little cupcake, so we can think about celebrations and birthdays and all that fun stuff while we're doing our math homework. So feel free to come to the library and get kits to do these crafts. Otherwise, these crafts can be done oftentimes with things that you have at home if you do have some craft supplies at home. If not, come on in. We'll give you a kit, follow along to our videos, and you will upgrade your pencils into something fun. Okay, for our program today, we are going to need the materials you see in front of you. This will be what comes in your kit: a pipe cleaner, 3 pom-poms, and 2 little googly eyes. That will be in your kit from the library if you choose to come and get it from us. And what you'll need in addition to what we offer you in the kit is scissors, some type of glue, whether it's a glue gun or a regular glue of some sort, to hold it all together. And then finally, of course, you're going to need a pencil. Any type of pencil will work. And that is what we're going to use for our Love Bug craft today, our Love Bug DIY pencil topper. So I need you to first cut off about 2 inches on your pipe cleaner. This is going to be used as our antenna later on for our love bug. So keep it nearby and make sure you have it for later, but we won't be using it for the first part. Our first step is to wrap the pipe cleaner around the pencil. So just make sure it's nice and tight around the pencil and kind of goes down about as far as you'd like your bug to go down. Think about how far those pom-poms will go. And then this one's a little bit long, this pipe cleaner, so I am going to cut it a little bit shorter. You don't have to cut it if you don't want to. You could just make it a little bit longer down your pencil. The love bug can go up the pencil or down the pencil. That's completely up to you, but this is going to be the same step regardless of which way you have your pom-poms going. So as far as glue, I'm using hot glue today. If you're comfortable using hot glue, or if you're grown up and is comfortable with using hot glue, that is really the best way to keep these together. But if you are using regular glue, just make sure that you allow it time to dry by setting it off to the side after you use the glue to make sure that it isn't going to fall apart with too much handle after the glue. So using your hot glue or your regular glue, you're just going to make one little dot on the top of your part of your pipe cleaner, and then you just plop a pom-pom right on top of it. Next step, you're going to do the same exact thing. You're going to take your glue again and make another dot right next to the first one. So you're going to put your pom-poms right next to each other. This is going to make up the body of our love bug. The 3 little parts of our love bug is going to be these pom-poms. So third pom-pom goes on with one little dab of glue. Just top that last pom-pom right on, and you'll see that's the body of our little bug right there. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to use our pipe cleaner that we cut and just bend it until it comes into a little V, like a little arrow, so that we can put that onto our love bug as its antenna. We're going to use the glue again, just like we did before. And we just plop a piece of the glue right in between the first 2 pom-poms. If your love bug is going to be crawling up your pencil, you put it into the top, between the top 2. Mine's going to be crawling down my pencil, so I'm putting it between the bottom 2 little parts of our body. You can see those little 2 antennas sticking up right there, ready to go. Our final step is the eyes. And you're going to do that the same way you used everything else. You're just going to glue them on like normal. So you can use your hot glue again, or you use your regular glue and you just put 2 little dots for the eyes. 1 2, and then just put on the googly eyes right on top. And there you go. That is how we make our little love bug. It's crawling down my pencil. The cool thing about our love bug is that when we're writing, you can actually still use the eraser at the top. With the other pencil topper we're making, you won't be able to use the eraser because it will be covering. But this one, you will be able to use. I'm just trying to get that glue off, which I'll do later with the scissors. But there we go. That is our love bug friend. Okay, our next pencil topper will be a cupcake. This is what you will get in your kit: a cupcake liner, a big pom-pom, and a tinier pom-pom. The colors may change, but these are the 3 things that you'll find in your baggie. In addition to the things that you'll find in your kit if you choose to come to the library, you need a pencil, of course, some scissors, and once again, glue. I'm going to be using hot glue. It's the most fastest way to do this, but you could use regular glue. Just let it sit around to dry. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is cut a hole in the bottom of your cupcake liner. This will allow the pencil to be able to kind of stick in there so that it stays on top of the pencil. So you just poke it so that it will fit on top of the eraser in a little hole like that. This will keep your cupcake on your pencil when you finish it. Okay. So it's very simple to make our cupcake DIY. You're just going to put glue inside of your cupcake liner. Once again, this doesn't have to be hot glue. It's just going to be a little faster if you choose to do it that way. And then you just put your big pom-pom right in the middle. That's going to be our cupcake. And see, it looks like a little cupcake. And you can fluff it out, trying to make it look a little bit, bigger and make it look how you want. And then you're just going to take your little pom-pom, which may change from red to a different color, and you're just going to do a little dot on top of the big pom-pom, and you just add your little pom-pom right on the top right there. So mine's not really in the middle. I'm move it over. There you go. And then all you do is you're going to stick that on. Make sure you kind of push it in so it's on there nice and strong. And there you go. You have your little pumpkin topper. It's not a pumpkin, it's a cupcake. Your little cupcake topper. Oh gosh, I'm already in fall mode. Alright guys, so I hope you had fun making your own DIY pencil toppers today. I hope to see lots of colorful things in the classrooms, topping those pencils, and let me know if you have any other good fun DIY pencil toppers that you would like to share with me to maybe upgrade some of my pencils here at work. See you soon!